Ladies and gents, welcome, welcome. We are in Whitechapel area, in Whitechapel Market. It's a gorgeous sunny day at the end of January. It's 30th of January. Precise time now is 2:30. The light is incredible. And many of you love watching East London. So here we are. It's been a while for me, so we are back. Let's see what I have here. Muli.
Kasih kita lihat ada hon.
You know what? I bought a small watermelon, something like that, for £3 in Lidl. It was extremely bad. The worst watermelon of my life. I cut it open. It was red, but it wasn't solid. It was kind of liquefied. I don't know how to explain it. I've never seen anything like that. So you had nothing to bite into. The flesh wasn't like solid. It was just like when you leave a watermelon, I don't know, for 5 days outside, and it just becomes like a soft mush. That's what I got. So that was the last time. £3 wasted. That was the last time I've ever done buying a watermelon in January. Stupid thing to do. Or maybe I was just unlucky, who knows. I love filming in this area. I don't come here too often, but on a day like this, I absolutely love it. The colors are brilliant, it's busy, it's perfect. We are on Whitechapel Road. If you are just joining in, this is the Whitechapel Market. And this is Monday afternoon. As you can see, busy. I just finished filming in Bethnal Green. They also have a small market going on there. Obviously nothing compared to Whitechapel. You cannot compare. But they have a few stalls with clothes out. And it was fairly busy there as well, so it was nice to see. So for those not familiar with East London, you've got lots of writings lot of signs in different languages, as you can see. Last time I found out what it was, I think it was I forgot something Indian. Can't remember. So colorful in the sun. I've got stuff to do at home. I have to pack and do other stuff. Loads of important stuff. But on a sunny day like this, I literally can't stay at home. Oh, there's falafel here.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Just looking what's cooking, good looking. Smells good. What are they cooking? Oh, somebody's buying mooli mooli. I like mooli mooli. The library here on my left. I used to live in the area in the past, so I used to actually come here, not directly on the street but I don't know, 20 minutes walk, something in Shadwell. I used to
تكون بتهني يا ما تعديش فيه يا حاج، ده أول يوم يجي يا حاج. هلو.
What is this? Look at that. Loads of exotic fruits and veggies that you don't see in
Hello.
Hiya, in normal supermarkets and stuff. I wouldn't know half of them what they are. Oh my goodness, look at this phone box. I do intend to walk back. It's gonna be a little bit tricky walking against the sun in a minute. Look at the mattresses. Famous pub, the Blind Beggar. I walk further, there should be Sports Direct, and I still need a few more leggings. It's tricky to get my size. Oh my goodness.
So I'm not gonna order anything for you.
So I'll try to pop in there as well and start filming. Potentially going to Whitechapel Market. Not sure what time it closes. I should check online. Oh, 6 p.m. That's good.
Like,
I have plenty of time to be there.
totally used because like he could have said it.
Actually, that could.
So now we are walking towards Bethnal Green.
But like, it's like a mixture price.
Look at the trees, 0 leaves. Hopefully soon it's gonna look much nicer. Bangla carpets. I can see Sports Direct already there. I've never been there to that specific store, so I might be lucky. In this area, lots of short people live. As you can see, lots of Indian and Pakistani and Bangladeshi people. So potentially my size could be available. This could be my best bet. Otherwise, in other areas, I struggle. Queen Mary Cafe. So yes, ladies and gents, I'm gonna keep it short. Apologize. I apologize for that. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.